Ever wondered how to create a dynamic PowerPoint presentation using AI? Well, wonder no more. In today's episode, we're going to demystify just that. We begin by setting the stage. First and foremost, define the goals of your presentation. What's the key message? Who's the audience? Knowing these answers will be the guiding light throughout the creation process. Next, we turn to our intelligent assistant to help brainstorm content. Artificial intelligence tools like GPT-3 from OpenAI can generate unique and engaging key points and ideas based on the information you provide. It's like having a brainstorming team at your fingertips. Now, on to design. AI isn't just about content, it's also about aesthetics. AI-powered tools such as Beautiful AI or Canva can help create visually pleasing layouts tailored to your content. These tools analyze your information and suggest designs that enhance your message. With the content and design ready, it's time to create the slides. AI tools like Zoho Show or SlideBean can automatically generate slides based on your input. It's like having a personal designer who works at lightning speed. But what about the text? Is it error-free? Is the punctuation on point? AI comes to the rescue again with proofreading. Tools like Grammarly can catch those sneaky typos and grammar errors, ensuring the text is as polished as the design. And finally, practice. AI tools like virtual speech can simulate a presentation environment and provide feedback on your delivery. It's like having a virtual audience to rehearse in front of. In summary, AI can help with every step of creating a PowerPoint presentation, from brainstorming content, designing slides, proofreading text, to practicing delivery. It's about enhancing your creativity and efficiency. It's about turning you into a presentation pro. So, have you tried incorporating AI into your presentations? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep having fun.